Hello there, I am Chris Palmer with chrispalmer.org. In this video, I'd love to answer the question for you, what is a guest post? A guest post, boiled down to the simplest term, is a website on any page on the website where you will have a link. This isn't an advertisement. You could look at it as an advertisement, but this is a link guest posting your website on someone else's. This is a link on someone else's website. That's a guest post. You're getting a link on another website. Now, generally what we're doing is we have internal pages, so website.com/your post. So if you have a website that is personal injury lawyer in Illinois, then that would be the post. Best personal injury lawyer, Illinois. That's the title, that's the slug, that's what the article is going to be about. And on top of that, we are going to feature your link. That's a guest post. So my name is Chris Palmer with chrispalmer.org, and I hope this answers the question, what's a guest post? So I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.